Clean California Days of Action. This is a community event.
We have Caltrans maintenance workers working as the freeway is closed because it's much safer to do so when there isn't high-speed traffic going past them. Our maintenance teams up and down the state and here in San Diego have been working tirelessly to keep our roadways safe for everyone and to keep all of San Diegans safe. From a Caltrans standpoint, being able to reconnect with our communities is so important to me because we put people first. That's what we do at Caltrans.
It really represents a bit of a social change where we're taking our communities back together. We're right here, we're together, and this is what it's all about.
So I'm very, very grateful for each and every one of you being here. I'm so grateful to Caltrans for doing this and taking on this huge task for our communities.
Clean California is the initiative set by Governor Newsom. It's a $1.1 billion initiative over 3 years. The goal is to really clean and beautify California, take back California, bring them back to our communities, take ownership and pride in our communities.
This is a dream come true for local artists.
The mural is to honor our youth. We know that hundreds of thousands of youth take the freeway every day, so we just hope that this brightens them up.
Taking pride in our communities, and that's what all Clean California is about. So thank you, everyone.